Hi, my friends at Cuyahoga Heights Elementary School. It's Mrs. Dominic. Welcome to Tuckin' Tuesdays. I'm going to read the book Secret Pizza Party by Adam Rubin. Secret Pizza Party! Pizza, 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 pizza. Poor raccoon. All he wanted in life was some pizza. If only he knew how to ask politely. Ah, pizza. So beautiful you could hang it on the wall of a museum. So convenient you could eat it in the bathtub. That's where I like to eat my pizza, in the bathtub. Of course, the best part about pizza is the gooey cheesiness, the salty pepperoniness, sweet tomato-ness, and crispity, crunchity crust. Yum. Sorry, raccoon. I didn't mean to rub it in. Hey, cheer up. I just had a great idea. Let's throw a pizza party at your house tonight. I know what you're thinking. Why would we keep such a delicious party a secret? Okay, sure. It's so folks don't show up and bonk you with brooms. But that's not the only reason. When you make something secret, you make it special. Regular handshake? Boring. Secret handshake? Booyah! Regular staircase? Tiring. Secret staircase? Terrific. Regular pizza party? Get that raccoon off the table! Secret pizza party? Get that raccoon another slice of pizza. He's the guest of honor. Hot diggity dog, our pizza party's going to be so much fun. Call the pizza man and tell him to bring over his absolute finest pizza pie. Hang on a minute. You don't want the delivery guy to know where you live. He might recognize you from the poster and chase you off with a broom. Think, raccoon. Think. What could we do? Now he's ready. Check him out there. Yeah. Best disguise ever. Okay. Now play it cool. You're just an honest pizza buying citizen who left his wallet in the car. The pizza man thinks you'll be right back. Let's go! I've planned the perfect getaway route around the broom factory, over the broom enthusiast club, past the raccoon sniffing broom bots. Wait a second. Raccoon sniffing broom bots? Uh-oh! Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Run, raccoon, run like the wind. Ah! We made it. Let's barricade the doors and pop open that pizza box. Secret pizza party! Oops. I said that kind of loud. Sorry. Pizza smells give me the happy screams. Try not to crunch too loud. Definitely no high-fiving. Or music. Or dancing. In fact, we'd better turn off the lights and whisper. Just to be safe. Secret pizza party. Secret pizza party. What's the matter? Sweet sassy molassy, look at all that pizza. Clearly, these people are much better at throwing parties than they are at keeping secrets. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Oh, that pizza looks good. That party looks like so much more fun. They're all wearing masks. Maybe he'll fit in. Okay, you're in. Just play it cool. No one suspects a thing. Pizza party, pizza party. Uh-oh. I see a broom over here. Oh no, there's a broom over here. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Secret pizza party! Pizza, 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 pizza. Wanted for pizza theft. Reward 1 free pizza pie. Now you all have a wonderful evening. I'm gonna go make my family some pizza. See you tomorrow.